Good morning, fellow YouTubers and peeps. Very windy. Today we're going off to the gym. And I've done this before, you know it, so I'm not going to go through all that. I'm going to go to the gym. We've got chest and back to do, and a well-deserved shower. We did a lot of work yesterday at the woods. That video will be coming up soon. I'm just going to take you through the day today, do a bit of a vlog. Yeah, I'm going to go shopping. I've got to get some fuel, all bits and bobs, and some hardcore for the drive as you go into the woodland, because it's getting bad. So I thought I'd bring you with me and have a bit of a day with me, if you don't mind. It shouldn't be long, what, 10-minute video, something like that. So I'll flip you around and we're going to go. Welcome to the Fiat Ducato 2.3. Starts beautiful. I'm not going to put the heater on just yet. That's it. We're going to hit the road. Catch you in a sec. When you're reversing out of my drive, you have to have eyes up your bum. Someone passed the other day speeding and then beep, beep, beep. And I'm like, wait a minute, I can't see you. You can see me. So why are you beeping at me? I reverse out very slowly, as you can see, minding the lamppost. And then I have to look this way to see what's coming. And that's when they beep. There we go. See, that lamppost is quite close. A ritual of the day. Is that what they call it? And that's my handbrake. Okay, chill. There you go. Right, I'll put you on a tripod and I'm going to hit the road. Oh, I haven't posted any videos for a week or so because we went away, because it was my retirement holiday. So we went to Madeira, which was beautiful. So we take off from Manchester Airport. We're flying now. It's a 4-hour flight to Madeira. We come to land, and it was one of the most, what can I say, breakful? No, you can't say break. One of the most quickest stops that I've ever known, and none unknown to me that my wife tells me that when we land, that this is quite a short runway, and the only person who is allowed to land the aircraft is the actual pilot himself, because it's such a short runway. It has been lengthened now, and I'm going to put a little clip of us landing from Madeira back into Manchester with a little bit of a bump. I'll put that in there now. And here we are. See you in about an hour and a half. Just chest, actually. I hammered it. I'm so sore. I'm going to go to Morrison's or Tesco's, depending on what the fuel price is like. Put the driving glasses on. And I might go online, JD Gyms, and make a complaint, because the showers were very tepid. I don't know if you can see. Is that getting out of vision? Yeah, so the showers were very tepid. Even one of the blokes complained there. He said he might make a complaint to the main, but whether he did or not, I do not know. Right, so let's flip you around. See what the fuel prices are like. What are we on? Where are we? Quarter tank. I don't like going below that. That's just me. Oh, bit of a whistle. There you go. So we're looking at, what are we looking at here? 144.9. We're doing that. Okay, that was, what, 40 quid? 40 pound and a penny. Oh, I missed it. Silly solid. Anyway, so yeah, 40 quid just gets me over a quarter of a tank in it, so that's all right. That's good. And it's Sunday morning and this place is heaving. Aldi, so I'm going to go and get a steak. Okay. Aldi car park, I'm starving. Let's break out the cooker. And a new frying pan. I'm going to try that. And these are my drawers. What are we looking for? What am I looking for? Toilet's in the way. What's that? Oh, I think I know. Nope. Food drawer. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Okay, we don't fall over. It's quite handy because the surface here, this surface here, is a little bit lower than the glass, so it levels it all off. Just so you'd like to know, you'd like to know that. Right. Hopefully it should ignite. We'll use a lighter. Okay, so next thing is we're going to use some of this. Oh, it's a little bit. I might get away with it. Garlic infused oil. Not too much. That warm up. And then we're going to put in broccoli. I'll take some of the bits off, the big bits at the base, because they'll probably be tough. He won't be. He's not. A bit stringy, that one. You can tell if they're stringy when you break them. Oh, that garlic infused oil smells nice. Okay. More sprigs. There we go. Oh, look at them crisping up beautifully. Right, now for the biggie. £3.99 fillet steak. Beautiful. I think my alarm might go off in a second, so I'm just going to open the door. A little bit of pepper, which I ground myself. And we'll turn it over and do the same the other side. Oh, look at that. Little tiny bit of whisker, is it? What's it called? Have a look at this. Harissa rub. I would say we're not far off in a minute. We'll just turn the heat down and let it simmer. I think the broccoli's done. I might just turn the heat up and give it a quick blast. There we go. So we get a good bird's eye view of this one. Look at that. Edge to edge as well. I want this absolutely rare. I think he's ready in about 30 seconds. Okay, plate it up. Good juices as well, look at that. Can't see that, can I? Oh, yes. Followed by one of my all-time favourite sauces, sweet chilli. Don't want to spoil the taste of the fillet, but I do like sweet chilli. And that's it. Okay, let's try the broccoli. Just al dente, beautiful. Look at this fillet. Good forward to that. Let's see what this fillet tastes like. Oh, pieces fillet with a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Well, what can I say? Even cutting it, this isn't even a proper steak knife, it's just a blunt old sort of like veggie knife, but look at that. And the asparagus. Oh, the actual asparagus, excuse me, where you got the crispy bits at the end which have been cooked, sort of crunch in your mouth. Oh, beautiful. And then just top it up with a little bit of chili sauce. I've had all the asparagus because I couldn't wait, it was lovely. And then we got drippy little, look at that. That's amazing. Pop that in. Watch how this cuts, okay? You can pull it apart. Look at that. Amazing. So if anybody's interested, like I've done a bit of a cook now, let's just zoom back out. Okay, so cleaning up. What I'll do, I'll wipe the pan and I'll wipe the plate with some just ordinary tissue paper, which you get ordinary. You can get that from anywhere. B&Q sell it. And then also I bought these. If anybody's interested in these, massive. They're 80 extra large clothing. They were about 12 quid. Well worth it, because look at the size of them. And they're strong, so I mean, you know, and they're antibacterial. So I'm just going to wipe the pan, and that is the washing up done. So a bit of a hack there for you. Look at that. You wouldn't even tell it's been used. Brand new. Okay, and then the plate's the same. Clean that out. Dried it. I'll dry it. Yeah, of course I'll dry the pan as well, but it doesn't need it. There we go. And then we had a bit of a splishy splash on the work surface, so we do that. Just wipe it down. Like so. And then what I tend to do, I bring the cooker, let it cool down, of course, it's cooled down now. Just get any wipe or any splashes. A bit of meat there. I won't eat it, don't worry. There we go. And then just disconnect the gas cap, and that's plenty in there. Okay, hold him up. And before we do that, we'll just give it the whole surface a wipe down with the dry cloth as well. And that's it. That's breakfast sorted. That's my treat for going to the gym. Knife and fork in there. That's done. That's done. I think we're done. Ready to fire up and make our way. Oh no, we haven't. The canister away. Every drawer, everything has a place, they reckon. Okay, and that's it. Put that away. Case is broke a little bit, but I might do a bit of plastic welding on that. See, it broke. Right, so that goes away, and that's it. Lights off. Cupboard's closed. Waste put ready to buy, so I'm going to call by and put that in the bin now. Let's go and get me specs on. Well, I've had a great morning. Done what I've done, trained, showered, shopped, staked. A video. I don't know if I enjoy watching people do everyday stuff on YouTube. I sort of quite like it. I find it quite interesting. You know, there's Van City Van Life, and Van Life Plus and all them, and I quite enjoy some of the things you do, like every day fill up, and it just takes you away from reality. It's just nice. So I thought I'd have a go. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. If you want more, let me know in the comment down below. If you have any particular thing you want to see or anything, let me know as well about that. And I would really appreciate it. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.